Hi, my name's Camilla and I'm inviting you along to join me in my morning movement practice. This is to help wake up the body, and it's done through different movements inspired by tapping and shaking, so some more somatic processes, nervous system regulation, and also some movements from Qigong, where we're trying to keep the heart rate low and center the energies in the body. So we're going to start today standing. Having feet nice and wide so you're nice and stable. Closing down the eyes, hands by your side. Feeling your body in space. It can be nice to pick up all 10 toes, place them back down on the mat. Lifting up through the legs, drawing belly button to spine, tall through the chest, reaching long through the hands. Crown of the head lifting towards the ceiling. We'll take one breath in through the nose, out through the mouth to begin with. Inhale. Exhale. So we'll start with our tapping practice. Hands coming to collarbone, above and below the collarbone. So our tapping helps with our lymphatic drainage. It also helps to enliven the body first thing in the morning. And lymph does not have a pump like the blood, so it moves around the body through breathing, movement, massage. So giving our lymphatic system a bit of a helping hand here. Moving over to one armpit, tapping around. Giving it a bit of a massage. Noticing your face as well. We can get very serious here, so relaxing what you can. We're moving down the arm. Whenever you can, deep breath into the elbow crease. We're going to rub out the entire arm, rubbing out each finger. Let's do it twice. Shaking out that arm, and then over to the other armpit. Massaging down the arm. Spending a bit of time in the elbow. We do focus on the creases of the body, so armpits, elbows, knees, hips. Coming down, let's rub out the arm and then rub out each finger twice. Shaking off the arms. Then we'll come to upper body, high on the rib cage. Down into the belly. It can be nice to massage out the stomach. Up the back. Into the glutes, and then into the hips. I quite like to lift one leg at a time. Sides of the legs. Grabbing through the calves, the inseam of the leg, backs of the knees, backs of the thighs, and then working your way all the way up the body, and then gently pulling down the neck. Light tapping in the face. Pulling skin of the face back. And then landing. I'm going to start our shaking practice. So lightly bouncing in the legs, letting the hands be floppy. Really invite you here to close the eyes. It can help us move a bit more freely, and maybe a slightly wider stance with the feet. Hands can do what they want, maybe flicking to the side, overhead, And when you're ready, adding a gentle sway, you can open the eyes or keep them closed. Just letting the hands be loose. And then with momentum, bringing these dead arms up onto our body. One hand up, the other hand down, slight bend in the knees. And then arms out to the side, rotating through the wrists. Both hands up, dropping heels. Finding a balance. And then a final bit of shaking. Making it slower. Slower, slower, until you come to land back in stillness. One hand to belly, one hand to heart. Big inhale, exhaling through the mouth, releasing your hands. Feeling the energy rushing through the body. See if you can feel your body in space. Blinking open your eyes. So that was our morning practice. I hope you're feeling a little more awake, a little more ready for the day. This is a great one to add in, honestly, throughout the day as well. Maybe not the whole thing, but you can always do some shaking or some swaying, just to really help ground you back into the present. I think it's always a good thing to do. If you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe. There will be more videos like this coming your way. And my name is Camilla, if we haven't met before, so it's a pleasure to have you here. Have a nice rest of your day.